I got a message from TikTok saying that my videos are low quality content, which honestly, that's just kind of insulting. But they also demonetized me? Wow. Bro, just say you hate me. It's okay though, because I can appeal. Girl, whatever. Seriously though, this rejection was so fast. There was definitely a bot that looked at it like I didn't even stand a chance. Also, why are you saying I have $0 in rewards? I want my $39. I guess the move now is to monetize my YouTube shorts or my reels or something, because even though I wasn't really making that much money, I'm a broke university student. So this kinda really does suck. And I wish I knew how to talk to a real person other than putting in a support ticket, but I have no idea. So I guess I have to wait till December.